Hello students, today I have come with the poem for Annie Gregory composed by W.B. Yeats. This is for class 10th from the book First Flight. Students, in this poem, you can say that this is a kind of conversation between the poet and a young lady, Annie Gregory. Now, without being late, I am coming to the poem. This is in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is, never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. इसमें poet is giving a suggestion to the lady Annie Gregory that never shall a young man thrown into despair. अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि एक नौजवान कभी किसी लड़की को देख करके उसके प्रेम में आ जाता है. बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लव ही डज? इन फैक्ट, इज दैट लव बेस्ड ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट गर्ल? तो शायद नहीं. ही इज अट्रैक्टेड ओनली बाय हर ब्यूटी. ब्यूटी मीन्स व्हाट? ब्यूटी मीन्स फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. And by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear. What is the meaning of ramparts? Ramparts is a kind of wall which is made for safety purposes. तो लड़कियों के कान पर भी जो बाल उनके बिखरे हुए होते हैं वो इस तरह एक तरह के सेफ्टी पर्पस के लिए, जैसे उनके कान की सुरक्षा कर रहे हों. तो poet is telling here in this poem that love yours, that kind of lover in fact does not love because of your inner beauty, because of your quality. He loves because of your beauty, because of your appearance, how you seems, how you see, how you look. He loves because of your yellow hair. आपके अच्छे बाल के वजह से, अच्छी आँख के वजह से, अच्छे नक्श के वजह से. That man likes you. He doesn't like you because of your quality. This is the first paragraph of the poem. Now in the second paragraph, but I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or black or carrot, that young men in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. Poet had said first stanza. Now in second stanza, Annie Gregory is telling that I can get hair dye. मैं हेयर कलर खरीद लूंगी और जिस कलर का होगा उस कलर का अलग अलग तरह का बाल कलर कर लूंगी. Set such color there, brown, black or carrot, that young men in despair, कि जो भी निराश होते हैं लोग, प्रेम में पागल होते हैं लोग, they could love me. In fact, ऐसी कोशिश मेरी होगी बाल रंगने के वजह से, मेरी कोशिश ये होगी कि they could love me, not my hairs, not my physical appearance. Means वो ये चाहती है कि जो है कोई भी उससे प्यार करे, न कि उसके लुक से, उसके अपीयरेंस से, उसकी बनावट से, उसके बालों से प्यार करे. एंड द थर्ड पैराग्राफ इज अगेन द पोएट टेलिंग, आई हर्ड एन ओल्ड रिलीजियस मैन बट एस्टरनाइट डिक्लेयर दैट ही हैड फाउंड अ टेक्स्ट प्रूव दैट ओनली गॉड माई डियर could love you for yourself alone and not for your yellow hair. Poet is, in the last paragraph, poet is telling that yesterday night, means बीती रात, कल की रात, yesterday night, he has met to a saint, religious man, और जिसने एक किसी अच्छी किताब को कोट करते हुए कहा कि उस लड़की को बता रहा है, पोएट बता रहा है एनी ग्रेगरी को, कि that saint has told this thing to the poet that only God is loving, God can love to your qualities. Otherwise, जो भी लोग आपसे दुनिया में प्यार और मोहब्बत करने की बात करते हैं, in fact, they all are fake. They are just because of your appearance, because of your physical beauty. Only God is here who can love you, who loves you because of your spiritual beauty, because of your real beauty, because of your inner beauty that he is giving, could live for yourself alone and not for your yellow hair. He is telling that only God is here who does not love you because of your yellow hair, because of your personality, because of your face. He loves you only because you are good from your inner heart. So this is the poem, and with it I would like to sum up the poem again. कि आप देखें कि there are 3 paragraphs in the poem. पहले पैराग्राफ में पोएट कह रहा है कि कोई भी किसी को उसकी सुंदरता के कारण प्रेम करता है, उसके क्वालिटीज, उसके गुणों के कारण उससे प्रेम नहीं करता, ऐसा पोएट कह रहा है। इन सेकेंड पैराग्राफ पोएट एनी ग्रेगरी दैट लेडी इज टेलिंग कि अगर ऐसा है कि लोग मेरे पीले बालों के वजह से मुझसे प्यार कर रहे हैं तो मैं अपने बालों का कलर ही चेंज कर देती हूं जिससे कि लोग मुझसे प्यार करना शुरू कर दें। एंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ इज दैट poet is telling कि he has come across a saint who has told him, जिसने उसको बताया कि only God is here who can love you really without your inner qualities. Other than him, everyone likes you, loves you only and only because of your look, because of your appearance. This is the summary of the poem, and with the same I would like to discuss about the rhyming scheme of the poem. As you will see that rhyming scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B, D, B. You are seeing that young man, despair, colored, ear means A is alone, and second line is rhyming by fourth line. So the rhyming scheme of the first paragraph is A, B, C, B, D, B, and the same second paragraph rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B, D, B, and in the same way in third paragraph also same rhyming scheme A, B, C, B and D, B we are having. Students, in first paragraph you will see that there's use of metaphor, Ramprats metaphor. What is metaphor? Metaphor is a kind of figure of speech, where figure of speech metaphor you can say it is an implied simile. Implied simile means, what is simile then? In simile you compare anything with another thing, but here we don't compare, उसको हम as it is वही मान लेते हैं। तो here rampart is a wall, but बाल को उसको rampart कह रहा है directly. He is not comparing it that your hair is like the ramparts. No, सीधे सीधे rampart कह दे रहा। So students, hope कि अब वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगेगा, and thank you for watching the video. Hope for the best, and again I'm requesting you the same thing, that please subscribe this my channel so that next video could reach to you. Thank you. Stay blessed. Jai Hind.